Val and I tried an experiment with these malt chocolate cupcakes and marshmallow frosting. We'll show you in a little bit. But first, sift all your dry ingredients together. Cake flour, not to be confused with regular all-purpose flour. Baking soda. Sifting gives the crumb a lighter texture and makes the batter a lot smoother. Add in sugar and kosher salt. Just stir that all around. Distribute it around the bowl.
Donuts on shoes? That's a violation of Sugar Code 42B. Troops, we march at once.
We're your troops!
Excellent! Operation Sweet Justice begins now.
Operation begins!
March is up.
Now, combine all the wet ingredients. 2 cups of buttermilk. Add in your oil, malted milk powder, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Whisk that all together. Every time someone fires up that mixatron, I gotta deal with more sugar-coated weirdos. Don't start any frosting wars, you hear? And bring back my ladle. And back in your mixer bowl, beat 4 eggs and 1 cup of sugar to the ribbon stage. The ribbon stage is where the batter takes a second or two to sink back into itself. Alternate in your dry and your wet ingredients in thirds. Start and end with the dry. This helps keep you from overbeating the batter. Beating the batter too long turns your cupcakes into bread. I'm loving my new outfit. Tell you, Glitz, if that bottle burps one more wardrobe change onto me, I'm starting a boutique. Honey, you already look like one. You're dripping couture and chaos, both deluxe editions. Dripping, yes. But where did my bottle roll off to? Hey, I just got an idea. Let's put a whole malted chocolate ball into each cupcake. That's a cool idea. But first, let's roll them in flour to prevent them from sinking. Good idea. Oh, I don't know about that idea now. The batter is awfully thin. Fill each cup 2/3 of the way full and bake for 25 minutes. But where did my bottle roll off to? It's like it's playing hide and seek with a diva complex.
Halt! Identify yourselves or face a sugar citation for unauthorized sparkle emission.
Why not give it a go on the last dozen? Our friends will like them anyway. Especially with this really cool marshmallow frosting. We're making that next.
Unauthorized sparkle emission.
Excuse me? Who made you the sprinkle sheriff? Technically, he made himself the sprinkle sheriff when we gave him partial bottle power. We may have birthed the first dessert general in the known galaxy. He can calculate frosting density while enforcing moral order. Take 10 ounces of mini marshmallows and 1 cup of light corn syrup. The corn syrup pours better if you nuke it for 30 seconds. Melt them together over bubbling water. This is called a double boiler, by the way, and we're using glass on purpose. We want to keep it warm longer. It only takes like 5 minutes, and set that on the warm stovetop for a moment. Oh, Starlight and Sassafras, you two made him. Do you realize what happens when pastry and power mix without proper permission? Matter of fact, yes, chaos caramelization and a mild case of interplanetary intercession. We're familiar.
Enough! The bottle you seek passed through this sector mere crumbs ago.
Separate 4 eggs and whisk the whites with cream of tartar until they're nice and foamy. You don't need the yellow yolks for this recipe, but don't throw them away. Make our creme brulee with them. We show you how easy it is in this video. Watch that next. Look how fluffy the whites became. Add the marshmallow mixture and whisk away. Whisk to stiff peaks. You want to work really quickly while the frosting is still warm. When it cools down, it gets hard to pipe and spread on the cupcakes. But you can warm it back up by putting it back on the double boiler.
It was accompanied by a suspicious fruity object. The purple peach. That fuzzy rascal.
Then we're on the right trail. Let's move, team. Bottle first, fashion second. You can even toast the marshmallows if you like. Let's see how our experiment came out. Nope. No. What about another? Nope. Sunk ship. They still were crunchy and tasted cool. And our friends loved them. But we got it, don't we?
Negative, Citizen Sparkle. I shall take command of this operation. This is now a Sweet Force initiative.
Over my glitter-dusted sandals, Puff Boy. Oh, sugar. This is about to be a bake-off with a battle plan.